Hey guys, it's Josh Bailey with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have the pleasure of showing you a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This is the IO model, so it's got the 4.5 liter 200 horsepower cruiser and the Alpha 1 outdrive. It's paired with a tandem axle painted trailer. It's in the white hull color with a black rub rail and stainless steel insert. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more. Guys, we're here at the back of the boat. You can see we have a really nice swim platform. Got sea deck on it. We also have the manual submersible swim step. Makes it super easy to get in and out of the boat, as well as gives you a nice place to sit in the water. We also have the telescoping swim ladder that stows away underneath this nice little hatch cover. Let's climb aboard and we can look at some of the interior features. Guys, up here in the bow of the 210 SPX, there's spacious seating on both sides, really comfortable cushions. We've got storage underneath all of these cushions here, as well as an anchor locker up front. As you can see, we've got snaps for our cover. We also have fender pros down the side of this boat for quick release fenders. We also have nice stainless steel cleats all the way down each side. As we walk here to the helm, you can see this is a beautifully designed helm with a Simrad right here in the center, as well as a tilt steering wheel, Fusion audio, and our analog switches for all of our accessories. Binnacles at a perfect height, so it's super comfortable to operate. And we also have a nice flip-up bolster here at the captain's chair. Over here we have our observer seat, so you can face rearward and lounge out in the sun, or if you like to face forward while underway, you can. There's a nice little glove compartment up here for your valuables. It's lockable, and there's also some storage underneath this portside console. Moving back, we've got storage underneath this observer seat. We also have a nice opening underneath here. You can stow away a cooler. As you can see, this has the snap-in vinyl flooring throughout this boat, and there is a nice, good-sized ski locker down below. Moving back, especially in this position, you've got plenty of room for family and friends to hang out here in the back of the boat. And the thing I love about the Sea Rays is we have the walk-through on the side here, so it's real easy to get in and out of the boat. You're not climbing over upholstery. We've also got a nice little spot there. We can throw some ice and some drinks, and a really spacious sun pad. This boat is also equipped with a bimini top, so if you want to get out of the sun and get some shade, you can. If you want to see this boat in person or you have any questions about it, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.